Hello everyone, this is Dawn with twiceshearedsheep.com, and today I'm going to give you a quick little 1-minute knitting tip. I'm going to teach you how to knit backwards. If you've got a really small piece of knitting, like this strip of 10-inch knitting, sometimes it becomes pretty tedious to flip the work every time back and forth to be able to knit back the other direction. So instead of turning your work to knit it back the other direction, you can simply hold it like this and just knit backwards. So to knit backwards, we're going to insert the needle through the back of the stitch, going from right to left. So if you were to turn it, it looks like you're knitting it, which is what you're doing. So through the stitch, like so, wrap your yarn under and in between the two stitches and pull it through. I like to do this with just my thumb and just kind of hook it over and around. So through, over, and around. And it gets pretty quick once you get going, but you can work your way back just as quickly. If you are an English knitter and you hold your yarn in your right hand, you can do this too. You just need to make sure that you hold your yarn low, otherwise it gets in your way. So stick your needle through, wrap it. It's already underneath, so just wrap it between the two needles and back down and pull it through. So needle through, between the two needles and down, and pull it through. Easy peasy. And that'll make your narrow strips of knitting so much easier in garter stitch. If you liked this tip and want to see more tips, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.